Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to set up Ubuntu Linux machine in a VMware Workstation. All of our upcoming installation of Splunk, Wazoo, then the Kali machines will be installed on Ubuntu. So, in this video, I'm going to show you how to install Ubuntu 22.04 in a VMware Workstation. First of all, we need to download this image, which is of 2 gig. This is the live server AMD 64.ISO. And then once the download will complete this image, we are going to use it in the VMware workstation. So let's go to the VMware workstation, create a new virtual machine, click on this. Next, we have to select the image file which we have just downloaded, browse it, open. Next, then we have to give it a name that this is my lab agent something. You can give it any name and go to next. We have already covered in a previous video that will be the minimum requirement to set up Splunk, Wazoo or Kali machines. So based on that minimum requirement, you have to set up your CPU core, RAM and the hard disk. Okay. So I'm going to use this customized hardware. Let me keep the 4 GB of RAM and 2 processors and hit OK and finish. Once you finish, this will start booting it and let's click on this. So it will start installation of a Ubuntu server. Couple of things that it is going to ask in a first installation part. So we have to select them and then it will start installing on the VMware workstation. Okay. So yep. So it's asking for the install update available, but we are going without the updating. Then done. If you want to select any specific IP address that you want to use, you can even select as a manually, like going to this one and edit IPv4 manual. Then you have to mention about the subnet, address, gateway, and name server. I'm going to keep as it is. So IP address it is taking from the DSCP. Done. Once you click on done, okay. Yeah, we are going to use the entire disk. Click on done. Again done. Continue. Give it this your name and your server name that you want to set it up. Then pick up a username and password, so it will be used to access the Ubuntu machine. Okay, so I'm going to keep like xlab, setting the password. Okay, we are going to skip to enable the Ubuntu Pro. So click on this, and yeah, we are going to even install the OpenSSH server because it is needed to access this machine via PuTTY or any other uh, software. So this is even we can do it later on as well. But now we are going to go with that part. So yes. So once this will be done, it will asking you to reboot the machine. Once the reboot complete, then you can access the Ubuntu machine. Okay, our installation will be completed.